Hello class, how are you doing? Here we are again, and in this opportunity we will continue discussing unit number 1, alright? Remember that our unit is called types of energy, and this time we will continue reviewing that topic. But first, let's remember what we did last time in the previous video. We talked about some types of energy, part 1, and we started with thermal or heat energy. And remember that this energy is the one that comes from heat. We also reviewed mechanical energy, which is the energy possessed by an object in relation to its movement or position. We also saw electric energy, which is the energy presented in electricity. And in this opportunity, we will review chemical energy, light energy, eolic energy, and hydraulic energy. So let's go. Chemical energy. Chemical energy is the energy stored in the bonds of chemical compounds like atoms and molecules. This energy is released when a chemical reaction takes place. Usually, once chemical energy has been released from a substance, that substance is transformed into a completely new substance. This chemical energy, you have to think about changes, like chemical reactions. Light energy. Light energy is a form of electromagnetic radiation. Light consists of photons, which are produced when an object's atoms heat up. Light travels in waves and is the only form of energy visible to the human eye. So, whenever you can see light from the sun or from a bulb, that is light energy. Eolic energy, also known as wind energy or wind power. It refers to the process of creating electricity using the wind or air flows that occur naturally in the Earth's atmosphere. Modern wind turbines are used to capture kinetic energy from the wind and generate electricity. So basically, the eolic energy is the energy that comes from the wind, and it is used to make electricity. Hydraulic energy. Hydraulic energy is what is produced by the water, which is stored in reservoirs and lakes at a high altitude, so that it has gravitational potential energy. If at a given moment it falls to a lower level, this energy is transformed into kinetic energy and afterwards into electrical energy in the hydroelectrical plant. So this hydraulic energy is that energy presented in water, but in big amounts of water, especially in their waves. And this energy presented in water is used, of course, to make electrical energy afterwards. Now is your turn to work. We reviewed different types of energy in the previous video and in this video, but what about electronic energy? That is something really related to your study field. So you are going to find out some information about electronic energy. You will write your ideas on your copybook, please. So these questions are 3. You are going to find the information to answer these 3 questions. First one, what is electronic energy? Number 2, how does electronic energy manifest? And number 3, Where do you find electronic energy? So for this task, I really want you to find brief information. I don't want you to make a report about the electronic energy, but just a brief definition of what it is about what it consists on, and that's it. Something super short, okay, for you to have an idea of what electronic energy is. All right? Remember that every activity is made on your copybook. And once we meet again in the future, we will review everything all together. All right? So that's it. Here we end the topic of the types of energy. We will continue in the next video talking about this. Um, I send you light. I send you love. Take care, a hug, stay at home. And if you have any question, if you need feedback or anything, feel free to write me to my email address. All right? See you. Bye bye.